Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here's how to make an easy 4-ingredient chocolate mousse. Beat 600 ml of milk cream with 1 tablespoon of icing sugar. Continue beating until the cream foams and thickens. Add 70 grams of milk chocolate and 140 grams of dark chocolate mixture that is melted in a water bath. Then continue beating. Pass the mousse into serving cups. Refrigerate for 1 or 2 hours. Chocolate mousse is ready to serve. You can decorate as desired before serving. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching.